Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to link or connect Zoom to Stand Store. So if you want to connect Zoom or link your Zoom to Stand Store, here's a simple guide for that. So the first thing to do is to make sure your account has been logged in. So for you to log the account, you have to go to stand.store and sign in using your sign up information. Then from there you have to go to the settings. So from the dashboard, click the setting icon in the side menu. Then you have to open the integration section. So find and click the integrations or connected apps. Then look for Zoom in the list of available apps and click connect. So once you connect, a new window will open or a new window will pop up. Then log into your Zoom account and allow Stand Store to access it. Then after that, you have to authorize the connection, which is very important. So click allow when the Zoom asks for permission to link with your Stand Store. So next thing to do is to confirm the connection. So once connected, you will see the list as an active integration inside your Stand Store. And that's how you can easily link or connect your Zoom to Stand Store. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.